Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol EBON. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very nice day once again today. Did this analysis previously, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And on that note, what I'm going to do here is just some house cleaning, get rid of these lines down here. Sure, these levels still pertain. They're just not really relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion and clutter because there's lines everywhere I look. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible moving forward. So the first update that needs to be done, and this comes about just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So one of the new levels of resistance headed in today was $9, but now with the price up above it, that's what I'd consider the ideal level. Meaning for Ask Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? Well, ideally, if the price could stay above 9, that would definitely be a very impressive sign of power. Now, if the price drops below there, don't get me wrong, that does not mean that the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay above that level, that would certainly be a massive sign of power moving forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher, which is very helpful because when it comes to gauging the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you best visualize that? That is what has been represented. Again, yeah, staying above that level would be great. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, first key level to keep an eye on, going to be right here, which is basically right where the price closed, slightly below it, right up there at 1065. And then after 1065, next key level is just simply where the party stopped today. And that was up there at 1125. But all in all, great movement today, great volume. So let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.